Namaste. Hope all are happy, all are healthy, all are enjoying their life. On 4th of December 2021, that is about 14 days ago, we had uploaded a video, Come and Rest and Relax Here. I will take all the burdens of you. Ever since this video was put, we have bookings of cottage land in Mahavatar Babaji Ashram near Mysore. In the video, we had given most of the details, so I do not want to go giving the same details again and again. In the description column of this video, we are attaching or giving the link of the earlier video. You can just click that one or touch that one and get to know more about it. In the earlier video, that is the 4th December 2021 video, we had given time from 4th December 2021 to 5th February 2022 for the members to register for the sites of 600 square feet in the Mahavatar Babaji Ashram. But unexpectedly, whatever the land we have proposed, the booking has been completed. Within 10 days, many members have taken it. There is no space now in the Mahavatar Babaji Ashram. If at all we call it as a first phase, then we will have to look for additional land, which is becoming very difficult for us to get the land. However, on the other side of the property where we are discussing, adjacent to the same land, attached to the same land, there is no separation. Some land is available. We are in discussion with the owners, the farmers, and we have sent our feelers to talk to them. Hopefully, with the grace of Mahavatar Babaji, we will be able to attach some more land for the purpose of establishing cottage. Now, without the availability of land, 4 or 5 members are already in the queue, insisting us to explore second phase. For the sake of this video, we are calling it as a second phase, but once the Mahavatar Babaji Ashram is established, there will be no first phase or second phase. All will be a single piece of land only. For the time being, we can call it as a second phase, and we are exploring, but the land will not be available at the same rate at which we are in discussion for the first phase. The ever-increasing exorbitant price of the land is one which is worrying us. This apart, the next owner, we are hopeful that he will be giving his land to us at an affordable price, but not at the price at which we are getting for the first phase. It may be little more, because the person who is giving the land is not in immediate need of money. As a result, he is not showing any keen interest in selling the land. This being the fact, we are also discussing with other owners, other landlords or other farmers. Almost many are unpaid, uneducated. They do not have any papers. We will have to build the paper collecting from various government authorities. For years and years, they did not update their records. They have not paid the tax. They have not obtained the valid documents from the government. As a result, we will have to search the government records and get the certificates. Almost about 25 type of documents are required by the experts, the legal authorities. with whom we are taking legal services. This will help us to hold the land without any encumbrance or any legal issues into it, and the land once registered can be enjoyed by us without any nitty-gritties or legal deformities at a later date. Keeping all this in mind, we are proposing the second phase of again limited pieces of 600 square feet at a very affordable method of payment and also affordable price, but not at the price at which we have given the first phase. Tentatively, we will be able to give the 600 square feet of land for your use for minimum of 10 years to be continued further with a nominal amount later after 10 years. The investment from your side will be 1,50,000 rupees Indian currency plus 15,000 rupees for registration. The registration 15,000 has to be done immediately, and the rest of the amount of 1,50,000 can be given in 15 monthly installments at the rate of 10,000 rupees of Indian currency each month, to be paid on or before 10th of every month. Starting from January 2021, 15 months into 10,000 rupees, 1,50,000 rupees. This is very affordable, very easy payment system. This will not be available to any member after the bookings are over. Here also we have got very limited land. We cannot give more land being agricultural land. Commercial activities cannot be taken. Commercial activities will be a overburden for the land. So, if you want to erect a building without any interference from any government authorities, the agricultural land what we are getting must be put into limited use, like an ashram, a cottage. Keeping all these things in mind, we are giving this offer which members can make use of it. And although we are giving 1 month time for you to take decision, but like the first phase, this also may be closed as and when we achieve 20 members. More than that, it will be a burden for us also. So, all the details including the bank account number, etc. is given in the last 2 slides or 3 slides, which you can go through and take a decision. The members who have taken in the first phase, please do not come with a request, can I take this offer instead of that one? Because for this the price will go up and our program will get disturbed. So this is a separate second phase. In order to give more opportunity to more persons to be with Mahavatar Babaji, we are offering this. Please make use of it. Abreast of the ashram being established, we assure that in and around area will become a Swargabhumi or a heaven, because various other facilities are being developed by our friends in and around, which include a farming land with villa plots, a residential school, eco-friendly resort, maybe with swimming pool, health hub, organic farming, model villages. Several things are planned in the adjacent lands. Keeping all these facts in our mind, we wanted to bring up Mahavatar Babaji ashram in this place, which will enhance both the developments together so that in and around land will be enjoyed by all the residents of Mahavatar Babaji ashram. As we said earlier, the land may be located within 1 hour journey from Mahavatar Babaji International Center. The International Center of Mahavatar Babaji is just 4 kilometers from Mysore Airport and just a stone throw away from the Nanjangud connecting road and the ring roads. Very prominent areas. As we said in our first video, we need 1 year, that is the 2022 full year, to get into complete all the formalities. You must have patience for 1 year, then we will give you gold in your hand. This much is assured. Please do not ask us where is the land. We are consciously keeping this information confidential because all our efforts in acquiring the land will get disturbed. As a result, we do not want any footfall on this particular land so that the farmers, the owners and the landlords take a different view to refuse giving the land. Grab this opportunity, take a decision and make your registration as quickly as possible to be with Babaji, to be with us, to be with the divinity, to enjoy the real life at the last leg of our life. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.